The top essential woodworking tools you need for successful projects. Woodworking is a rewarding hobby and a practical skill that allows you to create beautiful and functional pieces of furniture and crafts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, having the right tools is essential for successful projects. In this article, we'll explore the top essential tools you need to have in your workshop for woodworking success. Introduction to woodworking projects. Before diving into the tools, let's briefly touch on what woodworking entails. Woodworking involves working with wood to create various items, from simple household furniture to intricate decorative pieces. It's a versatile craft that allows for creativity and customization. Choosing the right woodworking tools. When it comes to woodworking tools projects, having the right tools can make all the difference. For basic hand tools, quality hammer is indispensable. Whether you're driving nails or removing stubborn fasteners, a sturdy hammer with a comfortable grip is a must-have in any woodworker's toolkit. Additionally, a versatile screwdriver set is essential for tightening screws and assembling wooden components with precision. In the realm of power tools, circular saw reigns supreme for making straight and accurate cuts in wood. Its portable design and adjustable depth make it ideal for a wide range of woodworking tasks, from cutting boards to framing projects. Meanwhile, a power drill is indispensable for drilling holes and driving screws efficiently, making it a cornerstone tool for any woodworking enthusiast. Measuring and marking woodworking tools. Accurate measurements are crucial in woodworking tools, and the tape measure is the go-to tool for this purpose. Whether you're determining board lengths or marking dimensions for cuts, a reliable tape measure ensures precision and consistency in your woodworking tools projects. Additionally, a combination square is indispensable for marking square lines and angles accurately, allowing for precise cuts and joinery. Cutting tools. Cutting tools are fundamental to woodworking, and two essential options are the handsaw and jigsaw. A handsaw is perfect for making straight or curved cuts in wood, offering versatility and control for various woodworking tasks. On the other hand, a jigsaw is invaluable for cutting intricate shapes and curves, making it a go-to tool for detailed woodworking projects, like crafting furniture or decorative pieces. Joinery woodworking tools. Joinery tools are essential for creating strong and durable connections between wooden pieces. Chisels are indispensable for carving out precise joints and shaping wood with accuracy, while a wood router is essential for creating decorative edges and intricate joinery, such as dovetails or mortise and tenon joints. Sanding tools. Sanding is a crucial step in woodworking for achieving smooth and polished surfaces, and two indispensable tools for this task are the orbital sander and sanding blocks. An orbital sander is perfect for quickly sanding large surfaces, while sanding blocks provide precision and control for smaller areas and detail work, ensuring a flawless finish on your woodworking tools projects. Safety equipment. Last but certainly not least, safety should always be a top priority in woodworking. Safety glasses protect your eyes from flying debris and dust, while a dust mask safeguards your respiratory system from harmful particles and fumes generated during sanding and cutting. Investing in quality safety equipment is essential for protecting yourself and ensuring a safe and enjoyable woodworking experience. Conclusion.
Sharpening your tools. The crucial art of blade sharpening. Crafting impeccable woodwork starts with razor-sharp tools. Regular maintenance is key to sustaining the longevity of your blades. Utilize a honing guide for precise angles, ensuring your chisels and planes are honed to perfection. Pro tip: invest in quality sharpening stones for a professional edge. Advanced joinery techniques. Crafting seamless joints. Achieving flawless joints requires finesse. Our guide navigates you through dovetail, mortise, tenon, and box joint techniques. Enhance your woodworking repertoire by understanding the intricacies of each method. Mastering these joints ensures your creations stand the test of time. Finishing touches: stain and seal. Elevating aesthetics and durability. Choosing the right finish is pivotal in woodworking. Explore various wood stains and finishes, understanding their impact on aesthetics and durability. Uncover the secrets of achieving a professional, long-lasting finish that accentuates the natural beauty of the wood. Ergonomics in woodworking. Prioritizing comfort for prolonged projects. Long hours at the workbench demand ergonomic considerations. Discover the optimal workbench height and proper body mechanics to reduce strain and fatigue. Our guide emphasizes the importance of a comfortable workspace to enhance both productivity and craftsmanship. Sustainability in woodworking. Responsible wood sourcing. In an era of environmental consciousness, responsible wood sourcing is imperative. Delve into our guide on identifying sustainably sourced wood, ensuring your projects align with eco-friendly practices. Elevate your woodworking not only in skill but also in ethical craftsmanship.
Having the right tools is essential for successful woodworking tools projects. By investing in quality tools and learning how to use them properly, you can take your woodworking skills to the next level and create beautiful and functional pieces with ease.